Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ulan Anggraini, NIM 2514190010. I am from of the Faculty of Economic and Business, major accounting. Today, we are excited to present our research title, The Influence of Digital Transformation and Technological Competence on Public Accounting Performance through Audit Quality as an Intervening Variable. In Indonesia, modern corporate landscape, digital transformation is rapidly accelerating, driven by systematic station updates from the Directorate General of Tax, such as mandatory factor and the Cortex administration system. Public accounting firms, or CAPs, face an urgent structural change. Public accountants must evolve from traditional record keepers into active strategic advisors. This phenomenon highlights the need to understand how firm-level digital adoption and individual skills affect overall performance. Theoretical framework and research framework. Display the research model diagram, independent variable x1 and x2, intervening variable y, and dependent variable z. Our study is grounded in two main theories: the research-based view, RBEV, which emphasize that internal human and physical research drive competitive advantage, and the technological acceptance model, TAM, which looks at how users accept new IT infrastructure. Based on these frameworks, our model examines four core variables. 1. Digital transformation, X1, and technological competence, X2, as the independent variable. 2. Audit quality, Y, as the intervening or mediating variable. 3. Public accounting performance, Z, as the final dependent variable. From this framework, we developed 7 hypotheses covering both direct and indirect structural paths. Research methodology. A consist table summarizing the methods: quantitative survey SmartPal S4, 1050 respondents. To test the paths, we implement a quantitative research design with an explanatory approach. Primary data was gathered through a structured 5-point Likert scale questionnaire distributed to professional practitioners in the Jakarta region. With a clean sample size of 1050 valid respondents, we process and modulate the empirical dataset using variance-based structural equation modeling, or VBSEM, via the SmartPal S4 software suite. Findings and discussion. The path diagram with the actual coefficient and a summary table of the hypothesis result. Now let's look at our empirical findings. The statistical analysis revealed some very interesting results. 1. Technological competence, X2, holds a prominent positive role. It significantly upgrades both audit quality, beta equals 0.415, and Public Accounting performance beta equals 0.409. Highly skilled auditors are the true drivers of precision and efficiency. Two, on the other hand, macro-level digital transformation X1 show a significant negative effect on audit quality. Beta equals means 0.233. This indicates that rapid software rollouts without synchronous employee training create temporary operational friction. However, it still directly supports overall performance. Beta equals 0.323. 3. Surprisingly, audit quality Y did not show a statistically significant effect on performance. Beta equals 0.069 in this sample. Consequently, the indirect or mediate hypothesis H6 and H7 we are not support. Overall, our model explains 12.7% of the variance in audit quality and 20.6% of the variance in public accounting performance. Conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, our study proves that while digital infrastructures provide a directly pathway to surface speed through optimization depends heavily on human readiness and capabilities. From a managerial standpoint, public accounting firms must avoid rushing into expensive IT implementation without upgrading individual personnel computation first. Performance gains are only secure when structural IT upgrades are backed by continuous hands-on user training. That concludes our group presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.